Dear students, welcome back to a new mathematics session. In today's session, we shall discuss a new method of solving linear equations in two variables, that is elimination method. Let's move on to the topic. Let's begin with 4.4 question number 1. Solve the following pair of linear equations by the elimination method. Here the method mentioned is elimination method. Elimination means we have to eliminate a variable, maybe x or y, as per your choice. First question is x plus y is equal to 5 and 2x minus 3y is equal to 4. Here two variables are there, one is x and another one is y. So we have to eliminate x or y as you wish. So here let me take the first equation and second equation, two equations as equation number 1 and equation number 2. X plus y is equal to 5, equation number 1. 2x minus 3y is equal to 4, equation number 2. Next, here I am fixing my variable as x. I am going to eliminate x. So here the coefficient of x in first equation is 1 and coefficient of x in the second equation is 2. So coefficient of x in the first equation, that is 1, and coefficient of x in the second equation, that is 2. So here second equation coefficient I am taking, that is 2. I am multiplying with the first equation. What is there mentioned in the bracket is equation. Equation number 1 into 2. This 2 how comes in the sense this is the coefficient of the variable in the second equation. Then second equation I am multiplying with the coefficient of x in the first equation. As I mentioned before, coefficient of x in the first equation is 1. So second equation I am multiplying with the 1. Once again I tell you, here I am fixing my variable as x. I am going to eliminate x. For that I need to make these two coefficients equal. Here in the first equation coefficient of x is 1 and the second equation coefficient of x is 2. So second equation coefficient I will take, that is 2. I will multiply with the first equation, and the first equation coefficient I will take, that is 1. I will multiply with the second equation. So first equation into 2. If you multiply 2 here, 2 into x, that is 2x, 2 into y, 2y, 5 into 2, 10. So I multiplied here. Everywhere you have to multiply first variable, second variable and the constant. And second equation I have to multiply with 1. If you multiply 1 with this equation, it will come same. That is 2 into 1 is 1x, 1, that is, sorry, 2 into 1 is 2, 2x, again here 3 into 1 is 3, that is 3y, 4 into 1 is 4. So it will come as same, that is 2x minus 3y is equal to 4. So we have got two equations, label it as equation number 3 and 4. Now when you check here, equations 3 and 4, the variable x is having same coefficient. Here is 2x, here also 2x. I have to go for elimination method, means I have to eliminate, remove a variable. Here my variable is x, so if I want to remove x from these two equations, what I have to do is I have to subtract, because 2x minus 2x is 0. X completely will be removed, eliminated. So that is what I am going to do, means I have to subtract 3 and 4. So equation number 3 minus 4 implies. So for subtraction, what we have to do is second equation signs we have to change. Here first variable, that is 2x, sign is plus, it will come as minus. Here second variable, that is y, that is minus 3y, sign is minus, it will come opposite, that is plus. And here constant is 4, plus 4, it will come as minus. Why we are changing these signs? Let's check. So what we are going to do is here equation number 3 and 4 we are subtracting, means first equation is 2x plus 3y, that is written 2x plus 2y. Then second equation is 2x minus 3y, that I have to subtract, minus of 2x minus 3y equal to, right side is 10 and here 4, so 10 minus 4. This is what the operation we are doing. So when you remove the bracket here, what will happen is first 2x plus 2y, first bracket when you check, no change, 2x plus 2y will be coming. Then this one minus is there outside, when you take inside it comes as minus 2x, minus into minus plus 3y equal to 10 minus 4. And when you check these 2x minus 3y, what is happening here is it is coming as minus 2x plus 3y, because we multiply minus inside. So the signs are changing to opposite signs, that is plus 2x becomes minus 2x, minus 3y becomes plus 3y because we are multiplying minus inside. That is what happening here. Just avoiding these two steps and just writing the opposite signs to the second equation. Then 2x minus 2x, that is 0, eliminated. Then here plus 2y, and here when you check it is plus 3y. And when you check here, 2x and 2x will be cancelled. That's why here also coming 2x minus 2x, that is 0, no need to write. Then here plus 2y and plus 3y, this is the sign you are going to take. This one is not available now. This minus we are changing as plus. So here when you check 2y plus 3y, that is 5y. So 5y is equal to 10 minus 4, that is equal to 6. So y is equal to, it's quite familiar for us, 6 divided by 5. Here once again I tell you, plus 2, and this is the new sign you are going to take, plus 3. This sign we will not take. So plus 2 plus 3. Y means here it is 2y plus 3y, that's why. So from here y we have got as 6 by 5. This is the elimination method. And now once one variable if you get, we will go for the second variable by substituting, putting y in equation number 1. When we put y in equation number 1, we will be getting as x plus y value is 6 by 5. X plus 6 by 5 is equal to 1. X is equal to this 6 by 5 we can take to the right side. It comes as minus 6 by 5. So x is equal to, when you take 5 as common LCM, 5 into 5, 25, minus 6, 25 minus 6 by 5, that is equal to 19 by 5. So we have got x as 6 by 5, x as 19 by 5, y as 6 by 5. This is our solution. X is equal to 19 by 5 and y is equal to 6 by 5. On to question number 2. 3x plus 4y is equal to 10. 2x minus 2y is equal to 2. There are two equations given to us. Let's write this as equation number 1 and equation number 2. Here also I am fixing my variable as x. If you want, you can take y as your variable. The same process you have to go. That's all. So here I am fixing x. If you wish to calculate with y, you can go for it. It's not a problem. Here coefficient of x in the first equation is 3. Second equation is 2. So second equation coefficient I have to take. I have to multiply with the first equation. Second equation coefficient is 2. X coefficient is 2. I will multiply with equation number 1. And first equation coefficient is 3. That I will multiply with the second equation. That is equation number 2 into 3. Then when you multiply first equation with the 2, it comes as 3 into 2 6, 4 into 2 8, 10 into 2 20. So 6x plus 8y is equal to 20. And second equation I multiply with 3. That means 3 into 2 6. Then 3 into 2 6. Again here also 3 into 2 6. So 6x minus 6y is equal to 6. Label it as equation number 3 and 4. Now when you look here, the variables are having the same coefficients, means 6x and 6x. So if you want to eliminate, we have to go for subtraction. So 3 minus 4. 3 minus 4 implies, when you subtract, as I mentioned before, just to change the signs of the second equation. That means here fourth equation. This is plus 6x comes as minus 6x, and this is minus 6y will change as plus 6y, and this is plus 6 will change as minus 6. Why we are changing, that I have explained in the previous slide. And here 6x minus 6x is 0, eliminated, no need to write. Then next is y, plus 8 plus 6. So 8 plus 6 is 14y is equal to 20 minus 6. 20 minus 6 is 14. From here y we can calculate 14 by 14, that is equal to 1. Y we have got. Now let's substitute this value of y in equation number 2. Here equation number 2 is easy because here the variables are little higher. Here it is lower, 2, 2 and 2. Here 3, 4 and 10. So here it is convenient. Second equation. If you wish to substitute in first equation also, no problem. You will get the same answer. You can go for it. But calculation will be little difficult. But here the numbers are easy. That's why the calculation also little bit easy. So when you substitute 2x minus 2y is equal to 2, that is our equation. That is 2x minus 2 into y value is 1. Just substituted 2 into 1 equal to 2. That is 2x is equal to this minus 2 will come to the right side. That is plus 2. 2 into 1 is 2 minus 2 will come to the right side as plus 2. So 2x is equal to 2 plus 2 is 4. Then x is equal to 4 divided by 2. This 2 will come to the denominator. 4 by 2 is equal to 2. So we have got the solution as x is equal to 2, y is equal to 1. So x is equal to 2 and y is equal to 1 are the solution here. Next, we shall discuss question number 3. 3x minus 5y minus 4 is equal to 0 and 9x is equal to 2y plus 7. When you look at the equation, it is not in the standard form. First of all, let's write it in standard form and label it as equation number 1 and 2. 3x minus 5y, this minus 4 will go to the right side. It comes as 0 plus 4. 0 plus 4 is 4. So 3x minus 5y is equal to 4, equation number 1. And second equation, when you take plus 2y, you can bring to the left side. It comes as minus 2y. So 9x minus 2y is equal to 7. So now both the equations are standard form. We have written as equation number 1 and 2. Here also I am fixing my variable as x. So I am going to eliminate x. Here coefficient of x in the first equation is 3. Coefficient of x in the second equation is 9. So first equation into coefficient of x in the second equation, that is 1 into 9. And the second equation, when you take, so let's multiply and go for second equation. That is, when you multiply 9 in the first equation, 9 into 3 27x minus 9 into 5 45y is equal to 9 into 4 36. Label it as equation number 3. Then second equation we have to take and multiply with the first equation coefficient, that is 3. So 2 into 3, when you multiply 3 in the second equation, it comes as 27x minus 3 into 2 6y is equal to 7 into 3 21. Label it as equation number 4. Now when you look, the coefficients are same, 27x, here also 27x. If you want to eliminate, we have to subtract, that is 3 minus 4 implies, change the sign, plus 27 will come as minus 27 and minus 6 will come as plus 6, plus 21 will come as minus 21. So 27x minus 27x 0, no need to write. Minus 45 plus 6, remember here minus 45 here plus 6, minus 45 plus 6 is minus 39y. 36 minus 21, that is equal to 15. So y is equal to 15 by minus 39. This minus 39 will come to the denominator. Then here there is 3 common. When we cancel, 5 3s are 15. Then when we cancel 3 here, it comes as 13. So we will get the answer as minus 5 by 13. That is our y. Then let's substitute it in equation number 2. Equation number 2, when we take, we will get as 9x minus 2 into minus 5 by 13. Just this y replaced and substitute as minus 5 by 13 is equal to 7. If you want to take equation number 1, you can go for it. It's not a problem. We will get the same answer. Then here we will do the calculation, that is 9x minus into minus plus 5 into 2 10 divided by 13 equal to 7. So 9x is equal to this 10 by 13 plus 10 by 13 will go to the right side. It comes as minus 10 by 13. So 7 minus 10 by 13. So 9x is equal to 13. We will take as common LCM. Then this 13 we have to multiply with the numerator. 7 into 13 minus 10. Here nothing to multiply because the denominator is 13 itself. So just 10 as it is will be coming. That is equal to 9x equal to 7 into 13 is 91 minus 10 by 13. Then 9x is equal to 91 minus 10, that is 81 divided by 13. Then x is equal to 81 divided by 13. This 9 will come to the denominator as 1 by 9 into 1 by 9 will be coming. Then 9 and 81 we can cancel 9 times. Final answer will be getting as 9 divided by 13. X is equal to 9 divided by 13. Calculation is a little lengthy here, so just a simple calculation. Please be careful. Should not make mistake. So we are getting the answers as x is equal to 9 by 13, y is equal to minus 5 by 13. So let's write the solution. X is equal to 9 by 13 and y is equal to minus 5 by 13. Next we shall discuss the fourth question. X by 2 plus 2y by 3 is equal to minus 1 and x minus y by 3 is equal to 3. Like the previous question, this question also equations are not in standard form because here denominators are there. So we have to eliminate the denominators and write it in standard form. So first equation is x by 2 plus 2y by 3 is equal to minus 1. Here the denominators are 2 and 3. We have to take the LCM of 2 and 3, that is 6. Just multiply 6 throughout so that the denominators will be eliminated. So 6 into x by 2. What is this 6? In the sense, this is the LCM of denominators 2 and 3. So 6 into x by 2 plus 6 into 2y by 3 equal to 6 into minus 1. Then here 2 and 6 we can cancel 3 times. Again 3 and 6 we can cancel 2 times. Here nothing to cancel. So we'll be getting the answers as 3x plus 2 into 2 4y equal to minus 6. Now it is in standard form. Mark it as equation number 1. Then we'll go for the given second equation, that is x minus y by 3 is equal to 3. Here also denominator is there 3, just multiply it throughout. 3 into x minus 3 into y by 3 equal to 3 into 3. Here also 3 and 3 we can cancel. We have got the answer as 3 into x 3x minus y is equal to 3 into 3 9, equation number 2. Now both the equations are in standard form. Now you can see here in this equation coefficient of x is 3x and here also coefficient of x is 3. Here also 3, here also 3, means both are having same coefficient. So nothing to multiply. Let's write both the equations separately, and equation number 1 and 2 we can subtract, because without multiplication itself this 2 will be eliminated when we subtract. So 1 minus 2 implies 3x minus 3x will be 0. Let's change the sign. This is plus 3x will change as minus, and here minus y will come as plus y, and this is plus 9 will come as minus 9. So here 3x minus 3x is 0, no need to write, plus 4y plus 1y. This sign will not take, minus will not take, this is our new sign. So 4 plus 1 is 5y, minus 6 minus 9, minus 6 minus 9 is minus 15. So y is equal to minus 15 by 5, that is equal to minus 3. So y is equal to minus 3 we have got. Once you get a variable value, we can substitute in any one of the equation. So equation number 2 I am taking here. When we substitute y is equal to minus 3 in equation number 2, we will be getting as 3x minus y is equal to 9. That is our second equation. This is also we can consider, but this is standard form. This will be little bit easy. So just take this one. 3x minus y is equal to 9. That is 3x minus y is minus 3, so minus 3 you have to put inside the bracket because outside there is a minus, equal to 9. This minus into minus will be coming as plus, so 3x plus 3 is equal to 9. 3x is equal to plus 3 will be going to the right side, it comes as minus 3. So 3x is equal to 9 minus 3 is 6, x is equal to 6 by 3, 6 by 3 will be coming as 2, x is equal to 2. So we have got both the variable values, x is equal to 2 and y is equal to minus 3. So answers or solution we can write as x is equal to 2, y is equal to minus 3. Next we shall try two more questions. The first question is 9x minus 4y is equal to 2000, 7x minus 3y is equal to 2000. Here when we solve by elimination method, we will get x as 2000, y as 4000. Second question is 5x plus 3y minus 35 is equal to 0, 2x plus 4y minus 28 is equal to 0. These two questions when we solve by elimination method, we will be getting x as 4, y is equal to 5. So these two questions you will do it as homework. Dear students, today we have discussed first 4 questions from exercise 3.4, that is solving pair of linear equations by elimination method. I request all the students to solve these 4 questions and 2 given homeworks independently in a sheet of paper and verify your answer. While solving, if you have any doubt, please note it and keep. We will discuss it during the discussion session. Thank you for watching.